How can you shoot videos on YouTube that are simple, that don't take a lot of time, and don't require a lot of editing? Well, I'm going to tell you about how I've been making videos lately, and that entails just using my phone. I have an iPhone 7, so it's even an older model of the iPhone. I use the front camera. I plug in a mic, an external mic, and I have a link in the description to which mic I'm using. And it's been working really well for me. I do have lighting here in my office, some particular lighting coming from the side, and you notice the light in the back that kind of gives some depth of field. And it really isn't that hard to produce good looking videos with just your phone and having good audio as well. Here on YouTube, there's so much competition for content, and is it really worth it as a small channel to be putting hours on end into your production time, into editing, when really it's about the content of the video? And in fact, there's a channel called the Pennypinching Granny that I came across a few weeks ago, and the channel's only been up not even 3 months. And she has exploded to around 20,000 subscribers. And all she does is she just points and shoots her camera from her phone. In fact, she just sets it on some books. Her lighting isn't that good. She doesn't even have a custom thumbnail. She doesn't even have a channel profile image. And yet people are flocking to watch her videos. She posts every day, and she posts on topics related to saving money and tips around the house. And it's just, it's amazing to me how somebody who doesn't even utilize all the different features of YouTube is growing their channel extremely quickly from this. And granted, she's a grandmother, so there's a lot of endearment for her channel. A lot of people like that connection with her. And so it is about finding your niche and just being authentic and being who you are. But at the same time, how can we make videos that are decent quality, that don't require a lot of time to produce? And so I've enjoyed being able to get videos up more often by just using my phone, not doing very much editing, and getting content up so that it can benefit the people that need to see it. And of course, we want to be thinking of SEO, so I do think about my titles a lot and how to craft those, as well as tags and what's in the description. Those are things that I continue to put some time into, and it is very helpful. But wanted to give you encouragement as a small channel to all of you that are small channels trying to make it on YouTube, is just put up content that you're good at, and content that is authentically you, and just experiment and see what works, see what your audience responds to, and don't get caught up in all of the production, all of the gear. There comes a point where you can definitely upgrade, but as small channels, let's just utilize what we have and not spend unnecessary money trying to just get the right equipment. So I hope this has been helpful and encouraging to you. Be sure to subscribe to my channel and hit that bell so that you can get instant notifications for tips, hacks, and reviews so that you can get the job done. And I will look forward to seeing you in the next video.